Hey, what's happening? What's happening? This is Dan, and I am on a cruise ship right now, guys. And it's starting to rain. Okay, it's starting to rain on the cruise ship, so we had to leave the pool area. But here I am on my balcony. Okay, I'm on the balcony of in my room. So my room has a balcony, guys. Right? It has a balcony. Check this out. So this is my room on the cruise ship. Okay, pretty cool, pretty comfortable. Nice little room, right? And then here's my balcony, and here's the view. Okay, this is the view. Right? So this is awesome. So today I just want to share with you in this video how you can earn extra money online with digital marketing. Okay? So back in 2021, guys, I was stressed out, overwhelmed, frustrated because my company, they decided to cut our pay in half, okay? And they gave us a 3-week notice and I didn't have a backup plan. So you know what I did? I went online to figure out ways to earn extra income, and I struggled until I found this program that shows you step by step how to earn $900 a day, which is an extra $27,000 a month and an extra $328,000 a year. Will that help you out? Okay, so what this is, guys, this is digital marketing. And what we do, we promote done-for-you digital programs inside of the e-learning industry. So what's cool about this, guys, is the fact that you can learn from these programs, and you can also earn with these programs because you can resell them and earn 100% profit paid directly to you. Yeah, this isn't MLM, okay? This isn't network marketing. This isn't affiliate marketing. If you do network marketing or affiliate marketing, you generally only get paid like 25% profit. Even if you're doing like a normal sales job, like selling cars or whatever, you generally only get paid like 20%, 25% profit, guys. But with this, what I love about this is the fact that you get paid 100% profit, which is what you want to do. You want to promote something that's in high demand, a product that's in high demand that people actually want, people actually like, okay? And you want to promote something with 100% profit, right? You don't want to split your profits with anybody. You don't want to work hard, get a sale, and then give away 75% of your money to somebody else. That's insane, okay? It's crazy. It doesn't make any sense, okay? And you want to have an automated business so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. I have an automated business, guys. I set it up in less than a day. I think there's about 20 steps. You follow 20 steps, you get your automated business set up just one time, and then it's working for you for the rest of your life, okay? You don't have to worry about it. So just get it set up, less than a day, and then you can start earning passive income. You can start making money while you're sleeping or doing anything, okay? And then the next thing you gotta do after you set up your automated business, you gotta promote your business following our strategies, okay? So our strategies are like this. We teach you how to create 3 pieces of content daily that you post to social media to attract daily paying customers. You can also that takes about 30 minutes. You can go live for like 30 minutes or an hour, okay? And you can also copy, paste, and post free ads, right? Do that for 30 minutes. Some people just create content and go live. Some people just create content. Some people do all 3. It's up to you. I just like to create content and go live. I just like to focus on that. I don't know, that's just more fun to me, and it's really effective, guys. Because if you create content, if you go live, then you can grow your following, okay? You can grow your following, and if you go live, you can get instant sales, okay? How cool is that? So the next step, guys, you need to create content that's effective. We teach you how to create effective content so you can stop the scroll, because everybody's scrolling on social media, so you gotta stop the scroll. You gotta relate to people, okay? You gotta build some trust, the know, like, and trust factor, and you gotta create some curiosity, okay? Create curiosity in people, and then just send them to your website. You wanna send people traffic to your website, because as soon as they put in their email, then they're part of your email automations and they can buy from you at any time. That's how it works, guys. That's what I've been learning. I've been learning how to automate my business. I've been learning how to build my email list. I've been learning how to create content that stops the scroll and attracts daily paying customers. And you can do that too, okay? So if you want to learn more about this program and how it can help you, how it can change your life so you can earn extra money online, comment ready. I would love to share this with you. By the way, guys, I'm cruising right now, okay? I'm cruising, right? I'm cruising, so right now we're going to Mexico. Yesterday we were in the Bahamas. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Mexico. And the only reason I was able to do this is because I started my online business. I got into digital marketing. It was the best thing I've ever done, okay? If I can do it, so can you. Like, just follow the steps, that's it. Just follow the steps. So if you'd like to learn more about this blueprint, comment ready. I would love to share it with you.